The clock is ticking. NASA has confirmed that in just 5 years, a massive asteroid named Apophis will come alarmingly close to Earth. Space experts are racing against time, prepping for the cosmic showdown while the others are waiting for the grand impact. But the big question remains: if Apophis were to strike, would we be sitting ducks in the face of devastation? Could we really stop a space rock of that magnitude from wreaking havoc? NASA recently announced that the asteroid Apophis, measuring around 350 meters in diameter, is set to pass very close to Earth in 5 years. This proximity has sparked concerns among scientists about the potential risks if the asteroid were to collide with our planet. In response, NASA is developing a detailed emergency response plan for such an event. Although the chances of a near-term impact are low, a 72% chance of a collision in the distant future remains, prompting ongoing efforts to prepare for any potential threats. Named after the ancient Egyptian deity Apophis, the god of chaos and destruction, the asteroid seems fittingly titled given the devastation it could unleash. If Apophis were to strike Earth, it would release a staggering 900 megatons of energy, 18 times more powerful than the largest nuclear explosion ever recorded, the Tsar Bomba, which released 50 megatons. But what would the actual consequences of such a collision be? The asteroid was first spotted on June 19, 2004, when astronomers Roy Tucker, David Tholen, and Fabrizio Bernardi at Kitt Peak National Observatory recorded it as a new addition to the list of near-Earth objects. This asteroid, classified as an STIPE, is primarily composed of silicate rock, iron, and nickel. However, its composition isn't what has captured public attention. Instead, it's the potential danger of a collision with Earth, particularly in 2029, that has many concerned. If Apophis were to impact Earth, the damage would vary based on factors like its composition, speed, and impact location. A land impact could create a death zone with a 250-kilometer radius, while an ocean strike would trigger tsunamis over 100 meters high, devastating coastal regions. However, Apophis isn't large enough to cause a global extinction event like the one that wiped out the dinosaurs. In 2004, astronomers estimated a 2.7% chance of an Apophis impact in 2029, but later studies ruled this out. The asteroid will still make several close passes in the future, including in 2036 and 2068. Its 2029 flyby will bring it just 31,000 kilometers from Earth, close enough to be visible to the naked eye. Some scientists are concerned that the asteroid's trajectory could be altered by its close passage, increasing the risk of a future collision. One phenomenon that adds to this uncertainty is the Yarkovsky effect, where uneven heating of the asteroid by the Sun can cause it to veer off course slightly over time. In 2020, David Tholen's team observed that Apophis had drifted 170 meters per year from its expected orbit, heightening concerns for its 2068 flyby. However, NASA has since reassured the public that based on current data, there is no immediate danger from Apophis. While the focus is often on the potential destruction Apophis could cause, the asteroid also presents a unique research opportunity for scientists. Close encounters like this one only happen once every 100 years, and astronomers are eager to study Apophis up close. Researchers at the University of Würzburg are currently working on several mission concepts involving small satellites to observe the asteroid during its approach to Earth. These missions, part of the NEOFLY project, aim to uncover more about Apophis's structure, its trajectory, and how we might one day prevent an impact. The proposed missions to observe Apophis An asteroid set to make a close flyby of Earth range from low-cost options, such as merely photographing the asteroid during its closest approach, to more advanced missions involving long-term monitoring. While the flyby would be cheaper, it would offer limited scientific data. In contrast, more expensive missions involving prolonged observation could yield valuable insights into the asteroid's composition and interactions in space. Recent headlines have stirred concern about a potential asteroid impact in 2038, with some claiming a 72% chance of a collision. However, this alarming statistic stems from a theoretical simulation run by NASA. This exercise, led by the Jet Propulsion Laboratory's Center for Near-Earth Object Studies, was part of a regular series of drills aimed at preparing for possible asteroid threats. These simulations are designed to improve strategies for planetary defense, public communication, and disaster response should a real asteroid threaten Earth in the future. While Apophis itself is not expected to impact Earth in the near term, these drills help prepare for similar, hypothetical scenarios. While the exercise revealed significant challenges in dealing with such a disaster, it also highlighted key areas where improvements are needed. For example, neither the US nor other countries have clearly defined procedures for responding to an asteroid threat. Additionally, political changes, shifting budgets, and other global events could disrupt long-term efforts to prepare for such a scenario. Despite these challenges, NASA remains optimistic. The exercise helped raise awareness of the asteroid threat and highlighted the need for better communication strategies and international cooperation. Among the recommendations were to clarify the role of the Space Mission Planning Advisory Group, conduct more asteroid response exercises, and prepare pre-written public messages for use in the event of a real asteroid threat. Looking ahead, NASA plans to launch the Near-Earth Object Surveyor, a space telescope designed to search for potentially hazardous asteroids by 2028. With this new technology, we may be able to detect and assess asteroid risks with greater accuracy than ever before. In the grand scheme of things, the odds of Apophis colliding with Earth are slim for now. But this asteroid is more than just a fleeting cosmic visitor. It's a stark reminder of the hidden dangers that drift through the vast, unpredictable expanse of space. Apophis gives us a glimpse of what could happen when celestial bodies veer too close for comfort, raising questions about our ability to protect our planet from such threats. The more we unravel the mysteries of these space rocks, the better equipped we'll be to face the unpredictable forces of the universe and defend Earth against whatever the cosmos has in store for us in the future. Feel free to share your opinion in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Space Episodes for more exciting content.